स्नेहा मैम,
Yes, sir.
नमस्ते. ओम शांति.
Namaste. Om Shanti.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
I am also good.
Hey, we are here too. I don't know. The connection is really bad again.
Yes.
It's both of us from Bali Yoga School, yeah?
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you. Please on your video.
Oh, sorry, did you say turn on or turn off?
Turn on.
Turn on.
Yes, good.
I will turn it off again.
If connectivity is good, then keep on.
It's not good.
It's just not, it's not working for us. We just can't hear you.
Sit in any comfortable position for starting the class.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sit in any comfortable position for start the class.
Did you talk to us?
Yes, I talk to everybody. Sit in any comfortable position. for
I will
class.
turn off the
Yeah, okay.
I will turn off the video. I think that's
Yes.
better. I'm sorry.
Yes, yes. Spine straight.
Okay.
Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om followed by opening mantra. Om. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya
Yogena Chittasya
padena vacham
Padena Vacham
malam sarirasya
Malam Sarirasya
chavaidyakena
Chavitakena
yopakarottam
Ikrupa Karutam
pravaram munina
Pravaram Munina
patanjalim
Patanjalim
pranjaliranatosmi
Pranjalima Namaste.
Om. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. So what is anatomy?
Anatomy is a science that studies the structure of the body and
Yes.
and body parts
And what
and
is
relation
relation
between
one body part to another body part?
another body part. Yes.
And what is physiology?
Physiology is a study of the structure tissues.
No. It studies the function, not structure.
Function. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Function. Okay.
Anatomy studies structure and physiology
Okay.
studies function. Okay. And both goes to hand, not separate.
Okay.
They move together. Anatomy and physiology.
Physiology. Okay.
Yes. How many types of skeleton?
Skeleton.
Skeleton. I tell about a skeletal system or not?
No, sir.
Okay. So today our topic is skeletal system. Skeletal system.
Sorry, can you repeat that one more time, please? I'm sorry.
Okay. Today's our topic is skeletal system. SKELETAL. Skeletal system. SYSTEM. Write down. It provides structure. It provides structure and protect internal organs. And protect internal organs. Skeletal system divided into two groups. Skeletal system divided into two groups. The first one is exoskeleton, EXO, exoskeleton, SKELETON. Bali Yoga School. Bali Yoga School. My voice is clear. The first one is exoskeleton. In this system, bones found outside of the body, bones found outside of the body, means those animals who have outer covering of bones comes under exoskeleton. Those animals who have outer covering of bones. Comes under exoskeleton. They don't have bones inside the body. They don't have bone inside the body. Examples of exoskeleton are ant, snail, ant, snail, the second one is endoskeleton. The second group is endoskeleton, ENDO skeleton, endoskeleton. In this system, bones found inside the body bones found inside the body, ENDO, endo. Example, all mammals comes under this category. They all have bones inside the body. Including human. Now write down next topic, human skeletal system. Sneha ma'am, why are you not writing both pages, both sides?
Actually, sir, this is a different notebook, so it's like, you know, it's a very, so backside it's like.
Okay. I understand.
Yeah.
Human skeletal system. There are 206 bones. There are 206 bones in human skeleton. in newborn baby, the counting of bones is 300. In newborn baby, the counting of bones is 300. Means newborn baby have 300 bones, and adult human have 206 bones. These 206 bones of human skeleton divided into two groups. These 206 bones of human skeleton divided into two groups. The first one is axial skeleton, AXIAL, axial skeleton, SKELETON, axial skeleton. Axial skeleton has 80 bones, 80. Axial skeleton has 80 bones. It includes all the bones. It includes all the bones along the body's central long axis. Along the body's central long axis. It consists of the skull, SKULL, the skull, with middle ear bones and hyoid bone. The skull with middle ear bones, MIDDLEAR, middle ear bones, and hyoid bone, HYOID, that is tongue bone, hyoid bone, HYOID. Skull with middle ear bone and hyoid bone. Vertebral column, VERTEBRAL, vertebral column, COLUMN. And thoracic cage, THORACIC, thoracic cage, CAGE, also known as rib cage, RIB, rib cage. So axial skeletal is divided into three groups: the skull with middle ear bone and hyoid bone, vertebral column, and thoracic cage. Three parts are there in axial skeleton, and it has 80 bones. Axial skeleton has 80 bones, 22 in skull, 6 in middle ear, 1 hyoid bone, 22 plus 6 plus 1, 7. Don't write down. I will explain later. And 26 bones in vertebral column and 25 bone in thoracic cage. Total 80 bones are there. Second part of human skeleton is appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton. APPENDICULAR. APPENDICULAR. Appendicular skeleton. How many bones are there in appendicular skeleton?
126.
Yeah, 126. 206 minus 80. 126 bones are there in appendicular skeleton. It consists of pectoral girdle, PECTORAL, pectoral girdle, also known as shoulder girdle. Our shoulder girdle is pectoral girdle. The upper limbs, pectoral girdle, the upper limbs, UPPERLIMBS, upper limbs, pelvic girdle, PELVIC, pelvic girdle, GIRDLE, and lower limbs, LOWERLIMBS, LIMBS. Means appendicular skeleton divided into 4 parts: pectoral girdle, upper limb, pelvic girdle, and lower limb. Pectoral girdle have 4 bones. Don't write down. Pectoral girdle have 4 bones, 2 scapula and 2 clavicle. Upper limbs have 60 bones, 30 each side. 30 each side. One side 30 bone, left side 30 bone, right side 30 bone. Pelvic girdle have 2 bones, 2 hip bones, and our lower limbs also have 30 bones each side. In upper limb, there is upper arm bone, single bone, that name is humerus. Upper arm bone's name is humerus, and forearm bone's name is radius and ulna. I will explain later. Radius and ulna. After radius and ulna, there is 8 wrist bones known as carpal bones. Here in wrist, there is 8 bones in 2 rows. It sets in 2 rows. Carpal bones. Wrist bones are 8 bones known as carpal bones. After carpal, there is metacarpals or palm bones. Palm bones known as metacarpals. 5 metacarpals. 8 carpals and 5 metacarpals are there. After 5 metacarpals, there is finger bones known as phalanges. There is 14 phalanges. Each finger have 3 phalanges. Each finger have 3 phalanges, and our thumb has 2 phalanges. So 3 into 4, 12 plus 2. Total 14 phalanges there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
14 phalanges, 5 metacarpals, 8 carpals, 2 forearm bones, radius and ulna, one upper arm bone, that name is humerus. Same left side, right side and left side, same bones. Upper limb have same bones, left side and right side. 30 bones left side, 30 bone right side. And in hip there is 2 hip bones. In pelvic girdle there is 2 hip bones. And that is the each bone combination of 3 bones. It forms after fusion of 3 bones. Those bones are ilium, pubic bone and ischium. It forms after fusion of ilium, pubic bone and ischium. After pelvic girdle, our lower limb have 30 bone each side. Our thigh have single bone. The name of thigh bone is femur. That is the longest and longest and heaviest bone of human body. Not the strongest, longest and heaviest bone of human body. After femur, there is patella, our kneecap. Our kneecap known as patella. That articulates only with femur, not lower leg, not our leg bones. It articulates with thigh bone. And our leg have 2 bones. One is tibia and another is fibula. Tibia is a weight bearing bone. It is shining bone, also known as shin bone. And fibula is the stabilizing bone. It stabilizes our leg when we balance one leg asanas or both leg asanas, balancing asanas. After leg, we have ankle bone known as tarsal. There is 7 tarsal. In hand there is 8 carpals. In wrist there is 8 carpals, but in ankle there is 7 tarsals. 7 bones are there. Here 8 bones, but in ankle there is 7 bones, 1 less than carpal. Why? Because in elbow there is no elbow cap, no bone like patella, but there is our knee cap, 1 extra cap between our thigh and leg. There is patella. So here tarsal have 1 less bone than carpal. And after tarsal there is same 5 metacarpals, our foot bones. Foot bones known as metatarsal, not carpal, metatarsal. After tarsal there is 5 metatarsals. And after 5 metatarsals there is 14 phalanges, same like finger bones. There is our toe bones. Every toe have 3 bones. Every toe have 3 phalanges except big toe. Big toe have 2 phalanges. Our 4 toes have 3 phalanges and big toe have 2 phalanges. So total 14 phalanges are there. Now write down the first part of axial skeleton, the skull. Skull have 22 bones. Skull have 22 bones. It rests on upper end of vertebral column. It rests, R-E-S-T-S. It rests on upper end of vertebral column. And it supports and protects the brain. And it supports and protects the brain. It provides facial structure. It provides facial structures. It provides facial structure. And divided into two groups. And it divided into two groups. Are two parts. The first one is cranial bones. First one is cranial bones. CRANIAL. Cranial bones. BONES. And the second one is facial bones. FACIAL. Facial bones. Now write down the first part, cranial bones. CRANIAL. Cranial bones. BONES. It has 8 bones. It has 8 bones that forms the cranial cavity. That forms the cranial cavity. Is it visible, this diagram?
Yes, sir.
So there is 8 bones. The first bone is frontal bone. Write down, first bone is frontal bone. If you want to draw, you can draw this, or you can Google and draw first.
Yeah.
There. Okay.
Yeah, I draw it. I try to draw.
Good.
It's not exactly, but yeah.
Okay. So first bone is frontal bone. That is forehead bone. Frontal bone, also known as forehead bone. It is single bone. Frontal bone is single bone. During childhood, it found in pair. During childhood, it found in pair. At the age of 6 to 8 years, at the age of 6 to 8 years, the two frontal bones fuse together. The two frontal bones fuse together to form a single frontal bone. At the age of 6 to 8, the two frontal bones fuse together to form a single frontal bone. Clear? Second one is parietal bones. There is two parietal bones. Parietal. Parietal. PAL, parietal bones. There is two parietal bones that form the roof of cavity, that form the roof, ROOF, roof of cranium. There is two parietal bones that forms the roof of cranium. CRANIAM, cranium. Two parietal bones form the roof of cranium. The third one is occipital bone, OCCIPITAL, occipital bone. It found backside and downside of the skull. It found the backside and downside of skull. Back and downside of skull. It forms the base of cranium. It forms the base of cranium. The next one is, fourth bone is temporal bone, TEMPORAL, temporal bone, temporal bones, BONES. It found in pair, both side, left side and right side. It found in pair. Left and right side. It forms the side of cranium. It forms the side of cranium. The next bone is sphenoid bone, SPHENOID, sphenoid bone.
Can you spell it again, sir?
SPHENOID, sphenoid, sphenoid bone. It is a butterfly shaped bone. It is a butterfly shaped bone. Found below the brain. It found below the brain. And it links cranium to facial bones. It links cranium to facial bones. The last bone is ethmoid bone, ETHMOID, ethmoid bone. ETHMOID, ethmoid. It found behind the eye cavity. It found behind the eye cavity. It helps in formation of orbital cavity. It helps in formation of orbital cavity, orbital, orbital cavity, that is eye cavity. Okay, so looks one here. This is the frontal bone. Second one is parietal bone that forms the roof of cranium. Third one is occipital bone. Its location is back and downside of cranium. Fourth one is temporal bone that forms the side of cranium. Fifth one is sphenoid bone, that is butterfly shaped bone and found below the brain. And the last bone is ethmoid bone, that is behind the eye cavity and helps in formation of orbital cavity. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So enough for today's class. Any question?
Sir, you said that adult human has like 206, and baby has a
new
3.
newborn baby have 300 bones.
So how
Because many bones
joint?
fuse at a certain
Okay.
duration.
Okay.
At a certain age, many bones getting fused. Like we had an example of a frontal bone. At childhood,
Yeah.
there is 2 frontal bone, but in adult there is 1 frontal bone because fusion of 2 frontal bones.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Like this, many bones fuse time to time
Okay.
after a certain age limit.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Could you please repeat where found temporal bones?
Frontal bone is our forehead bone.
Temporal.
Temporal is our side bone. This portion. Okay.
And one more, sphenoid bone, butterfly. What?
Yeah, butterfly shaped bone that is below the brain. That is not visible because it is downside of brain. It is inside the cranium cavity, downside of brain.
Sir, what is the meaning of cranium? Like
Cranium, it is a cavity that is the home of our brain. It encloses our brain. This upper portion is known as cranium, except this face.
okay.
Any other question? Any
So,
question?
sir, today we complete like skull, and skull have a 22 bones. Just to recap, 22 bones, and we
Yes.
finished till cranial bones, and
Yeah.
tomorrow we will start from the facial bones.
Tomorrow we look about the function of cranial bones, and
Okay.
one more point is there, and there is a foramen.
Okay.
We will learn about that, and after that we start facial bones. Okay.
Okay.
Anything other? Okay. So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Spine straight. Adopt Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply for 1 time Om, 3 Shanti together. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you, sir.